Diamond Platinums is richer than Davido, Wizkid, and Burna together.
Reality star and social commentator DeeOne opines that the Tanzanian singer Diamond Platnumz is richer than Davido, Wizkid, and Burna Boy. This comes following the singer's appearance in Nigeria for the wedding of his friend and colleague, Juma Jokes, in Lagos. He was seen gifting $100 notes to various folks he encountered while in the country. DeeOne took to social media to opine that Diamond Platnumz is wealthier than the top 3 Nigerian artists. According to DeeOne, the Tanzanian singer has spent over $350,000 in cash since he almost gave everyone he encountered $100. He noted how the singer must have spent hugely at parties, clubs, and other events that followed the wedding. DeeOne chastised Nigerian artists for being stingy with their funds and reneging on promises. He said in part,
Diamond Platinums is richer than Davido, Wizkid, and Burna together. I did not believe that East African artists, they were this wealthy. I did not believe in my life. This one is not noise. We are seeing the money. He came for a wedding, for Priscilla's wedding, Priscilla and Juke's wedding, and he has spent more than $350,000 cash.
While DeeOne's comment has ignited more reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more entertainment news updates. Keep watching Naija News TV.